Metasploit framework is a popular pen testing tool used by many cybersecurity professionals and cybercriminals as well. But this tool is not limited to Linux and Mac-based platforms only, even Windows users can also take most out of it. So, in order to install this tool on your Windows machine, you guys just need to watch this video till the end. This is Droob, and you are watching Advanced Coding YouTube channel. I used to upload tutorials about Windows, Linux, and cybersecurity education. If you like our videos, then support us with a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Coding. But at the end of the video. Now let's start the video. First of all, we need to download the latest version of Metasploit Windows installer. So in order to download that file, just click on this download button here. Now, from here, check the latest one among these files and click on it. So, our downloading has been now started. And completed. Now let's go to our download folder, and launch the installer. This is the file that we have downloaded earlier. Simply double-click on it. Now, just click Next to install. Simply choose I accept the agreement, and click Next. Again click Next, if you don't want to change the installation path. Here, if we click Next, there may be some problem. Let's check. You can see here that it is asking us to turn our antivirus protection off. If you use any third-party antivirus, then go and turn off the protection. In my case, I am using the Windows default antivirus. So if you use the same, then open Virus and Threat Protection. And click here. And turn off the real-time protection. Now, click Next. 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 And our tool is now installing. This may take some time. So, our file has now successfully been installed. Now click Finish. Now, open the File Explorer and move to the folder where we have installed the tool. In my case it is in C drive. And here it is. Now copy this path from here. And open your command prompt. And follow the commands that I am going to show you now. First we have to change our directory. So, type cd and 2 dots, it will bring us to the previous directory. Again repeat that command. And now type cd, give a space, and paste the path here. Now we are going to launch the MSF console, so for that, type console and hit enter. This will take some time to load. And here it is. We have launched it successfully. Now go through your learnings, and continue your ethical hacking journey. I hope you have successfully installed Metasploit framework on your Windows machine. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Share this video with your friends and comment down if you face any issue. Thank you.